Davidan here. Today I will show you how to make a button that copies the text. Otherwise, I'm talking about copy to clipboard button. A button that was used to copy a text. You just click on it and the button itself will copies the text for you. Okay? Visual Studio 2019, so let's go ahead. We are going to use C# for this. Windows format, .NET framework. Just name it whatever you like. Doesn't matter. Like you can call it whatever you desire. My program has okay, so I'm having trouble with my Visual Studio right now, but never mind that. Okay, so here we have our standard form. If we go ahead and click run, we will have nothing, just a standard form. Well, on a drag and drop programming language like C#, for example, it's typical, like there is nothing special, but for like text only programming language that doesn't have drag and drop, it may be special. Okay, so here, so as you can see here, this is just a blank form, and we are going to add a text box where the user can add a text on it, and a copy to clipboard button. Okay, so search up text box. Go add button on it. And after that, you want to rename it to, you can add like logo on it, but I suggest you just type it out. Go to the button and type this code. So it depends on your text box actually. If you rename the design, like here, name, if you go to the data bindings and rename the text box to, you know, chat box, okay, this is just name, then yeah, it will auto rename maybe chat box, or if it's still stuck, you will get an error and then you have to change this. Okay, to test it out, just to prove you that it worked, I'm going to type something on this. Copy, then open Notepad, paste. See? So this isn't not like this is a bit confusing. So we are going to I'm going to show you how to add a way for I will show you like how to get notified, like after this a text like a pop up informing you that the text itself is already copied. As you can see here, after you paste your text, you will get notified that your text is copied. So that is pretty useful to avoid any confusion. There we go. So that is it for now, guys. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.